Yep, so I put my metal plate down. Because I was looking for the needle, so I got my needle. Which I took the needle out the gray pack. And the only thing I'm doing right now is screwing this thing on because I, for some reason, can't find my embroidery tools. I have a big old desk right here and can't find my stuff. So I gotta use the sewing kit. I mean the serger. This is the serger tool for your needles. I got a doctor's appointment, so I just said I'll just play with this for a second. And once I finish playing, then we can get back into it. And you just snap that back on in. Then you gotta go get your where is it? Yeah, stuff. Guess I can't use that. Take the pin out. I'm looking for. Oh, I see it. It's all the way down here. Bam. And then I'm just going to, it's called tear away, so you just tear it away. And as you can see, it started doing something and then it got stuck. And there's still a needle in here that needs to be removed. And then, I'll wait for this. I got to untangle, which just pull it. That's it. Just snap it off. And you're supposed to put this in beforehand. And I didn't. And you just give it a little circular motion and it'll automatically pop. Which I should have did it first. Hold on. It goes to the back end. Like string. Don't you get tangled. Yep, this will happen when you don't put it in there first. So wait 1 second. It's supposed to go like this. That I do know. And you pop it back in. There is an arrow. The arrow is right here. They have an arrow to tell you where it belongs. And I'm popping it in. It's not trying to go in. There you go. About to say, come on, baby, come on. Give me a beret. It popped in. And you just pop this back in. And you got your clear piece. Which I just saw. Oh, this thing is heavy. That must have failed too. I don't see it. Just one fly. Here it go, right under my foot. Yep, so you click this piece in. Always the, it's called the button. Well, this way. The button, yeah. This, it has a little opening right there. And you just push it down, pops it in. And you pull it out to open it up to get your string. Your string's supposed to go around. So your string goes around the circle. And you're going to come up the hill, come down the hill, and tug. So you're going to go up the hill, come down the hill, and pull. And that's what is going to come out. Then you snap it. Got to tell y'all the right way if you're following me. Then, once all that's done, then you go ahead and you pop your big one in. The one that holds all the magic. And you throw all this stuff away that's in your way. Oh. Then we're going to do the needle next. So I'm still holding it, y'all. Alright, you pull that bad boy towards you. Pull it out some more. Hold it. Push it in. Voila. Now you are ready to embroider. But before you embroider, remember the needle. So, the needle follows. You can pull it down if it's in your way. And you take the head of the needle and it'll show you it's the number 6. So you got to go up on number 6. You go up. And when you go up, you'll feel a groove of which way to do it, but I'll give y'all an inside look of what I'm talking about. So that is number 6. See, 6. So you put the thread, you put the thread through here. Then when you put the thread through here, you take your thread and you pull it through the teeth and you go to 7. That's 7. See, 7. Put it in through the 7, let it snap. Then you're going to take it up to 8. You're going to cut it. And then you're going to take it right here to your needle thread automatic feeder. And you push the button down. And as you see, when you push the button down, you got some jaws that See, when you push it down, the jaws will grab the needle and take the needle thread through the hole automatically for you, and you don't have to do that. And you just push it through the bottom hole of the needle, and you're ready to sew. Then you come over here and you turn your button on.